of the endless options we could have done for this property, this is the perfect floor plan for this addition.
The primary ensuite features this gorgeous soaking tub surrounded by this beautiful stone, which is also featured in the living room fireplace and the outdoor kitchen.
The top three features in this kitchen are the oversized paneled refrigerator, the 6-burner oven with a griddle and pot filler, and the butler's pantry.
Make your way upstairs to the game room and the additional bedroom and ensuite bathroom.
For all those perfect evenings, you can enjoy this wonderful patio with a 36-inch gas grill, the double-sided fireplace, and extended concrete.